All right, you know how somebody tells you a really funny joke and it's super funny,
Yeah.
and then somebody tells you a kind of not so funny joke, and you're like, ha 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 ha. Well, I had a guy that came into my work the other day. He was like, "How old are you?" I told him, I'm 37. Okay. He goes, "So you know what a dog sounds like, right?" So what does a dog sound like? Like if you would say, "Hey, if you had to make a dog sound, what would that sound be?"
Roof.
Right. And so I did the same thing. I went, "Roof, roof, roof," right?
Yeah.
All right. So then I think the next one was, if you had to make the sound of a cat or a cat, yeah, cat. What would you say a cat sounds like? I did the same thing. See? So I did meow. He goes, yes. He goes, okay. And I think the next one was, he goes, what does a cow sound like? Yeah, well, I think that was a little bit different.
Yeah.
But he goes, and I go, moo. He
Well,
goes,
you got a
yes.
good voice.
Right, yes, yeah, but, and he goes, and this is an older guy, like kind of Papa's age, and he goes, what does a horse sound like? What? I went, meh. Kind of the same thing. I think, what was it, the pig, yeah, the pig was next. What was if you had to tell somebody what a pig sounds like? No, that's good. That was really good. And the next one was, hey, you know what? You know what?
Yeah.
What does a sheep sound like?
What?
Oh, no.
Bat.
Bat, yeah. And then what really got me, he looked at me, he's like really serious. Like really serious. And I'm like, I'm winning the joke. He goes, what does a whale sound like?
Oh.